In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a check and print on QuickBooks Online. First, prepare for check printing. Make sure you have check stock that's compatible with QuickBooks Online, either pre-printed checks with your bank details or blank checks designed for accounting software. Confirm your printer is installed on your computer and feeding straight, and that your business bank account is connected in QuickBooks Online so the payment posts to the right place. When you're ready, navigate to the check screen. From the left menu, select the plus new button, then under vendors choose check. This opens a form that mirrors a paper check and captures the details QuickBooks needs for posting. Now fill out the check details. Choose the payee from your vendor list or type a new name to add it on the fly. Pick the bank account you're paying from, set the payment date, and leave the payment method as check. If you hand number your checks, type the check number. If you leave it blank, QuickBooks will assign the next number automatically. Use the memo field if a short note will help you or your bookkeeper remember what this payment covers. Next, tell QuickBooks what you're paying for. On the Expense tab, select the appropriate category, like office supplies or utilities, and enter the amount. If your books track products or services, switch to the Item tab, choose the product or service, and enter the quantity, rate, and amount. You can add multiple lines to split one check across several categories or items so costs land in the right buckets. Save the check. Choose Save and Close if you're finishing up, or Save and New to keep creating checks in a batch. To print the check, go to Expenses, then Vendors, locate the check you just created, and select Print Check. Pick your printer, choose the check layout, voucher or standard, and use the alignment setting if you're using pre-printed checks. Click Preview and Print so you can confirm placement on the page. Load your checks into the printer following the printer's tray guide. Before printing them all, confirm the top of check alignment with a quick test and adjust if needed so payee, date, and amount land in the boxes. After printing, QuickBooks marks the check as printed. Do a quick review to verify the payee, amount, date, and bank information are correct. Printing the check automatically posts the payment to the vendor and reduces the selected bank account balance. There's no manual journal entry required. Your register and vendor ledger are updated and ready for reconciliation.